Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can save your emails to Sharepoint or OneDrive automatically. I'm going to do both in this video. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe, guys. So the very first trigger is like when an email arrives. So I'm using this trigger in my flow or Power Automate. So I have gone for the folder inbox, but you can move it to other also like, and also if you expand in the advanced options, you have all the filters available for you, to, from, CC and subject line, whatever you want to include. But because I wanted to make it generic, that's why I have done it. Rest customization up to you. Next is like I'm using the action export email. So message ID I'm picking up from the trigger action, and I have the content of the email. Next is create file. So in OneDrive, select the folder path, file name, like I have used .msg message extension for the file name. Subject is gonna be the name of the file, and content I'm getting body, this body as file content is coming from export email. Similar thing you can do it in SharePoint as well, as you can see, and that's how simply it works. So please subscribe to the channel, share it, and thanks for supporting.